Have you ever found yourself struggling to connect a friend or family member to your Wi-Fi network? Well, fret no more. In this video, I'm going to show you a convenient and efficient way to share your Wi-Fi password using QR codes right from your Xiaomi phone. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, open the Settings app on your Xiaomi phone. Once you are in the settings, tap on Wi-Fi. Then tap on the connected Wi-Fi's name and the QR code will pop right up. Just grab your friend's phone and scan this code and they will be connected to the Wi-Fi in no time or get the password real quick. You can also share it via quick share. Easy as pie, right? So that's how you share Wi-Fi password with QR code from any Xiaomi phones. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button. Hungry for more Xiaomi phone related tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel because we have got more of them coming soon. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!